guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going racing with this. Yeah, it's not necessarily a race vehicle. Supercharged, as you can see here, is on it. It's got cam and stuff, as you may have been able to tell with the exhaust note because it pulled in the driveway. But this isn't necessarily meant for racing. It's meant for towing. But I just got the itch to go racing. So it's 300 feet, I think, dirt drag racing. So it should be fun. We're just gonna go chill, have a good time, get out, try to do something racing, car related, whatever. And we've got a beautiful day today, but I got to do a little bit of maintenance on this thing. So hopefully, you know, we can keep it together. Just put a new battery in it. We got to change the air filter over and do an oil change. So and do a little test drive. So we'll go from there and keep you guys filled in on any, maybe, hopefully, no bad things in the oil. We'll see. Also, to add, I got a little helper. I'm going to kind of show him how we do things. So this is going to be partial time lapse in and out. But buddy, hop up here because the first thing we're going to do is check the amount of oil that's in it now and see what it looks like. Show the peoples. 230,000 miles and still like right in the middle, so maybe a half a quart down. I'm not upset about that at all. Do a little bit of tool review. This right here, Blue Point, snap on, rip off, whatever, gear driven oil filter wrench. This right here will shred an oil filter. It will shred an oil filter before it won't take one off. Like before you have to resort to like the screwdriver hammer situation. This thing absolutely gets the job done. Gear driven, no way for it to slip. The harder you tighten, or yeah, the harder you go to take it off, the harder it tightens, and it also, if you need it for another reason, goes the opposite way too. So we'll be using this guy and a couple ratcheting wrenches. Here's your tools. Okay, and here's this thing, because you're going to need this. Alright, let's roll up underneath there. Alright, now let's try the 13 millimeter. Excellent, excellent. Alright, so now that we're that loose, go ahead and pull the wrench off there. And a little trick of the trade is you're going to want to push the nut, the bolt in, and loosen it, and then when it's super loose, like all the way out, you're gonna move it all the way really quick, and you're just gonna help from getting oil all over your hand. You're gonna keep pushing it in though. See, it's starting to drip a little bit, but keep loosening, keep loosening. All right, now get ready to pull it really fast. Okay, and go. Not fast enough. All right, hey, set that with the bolt head down on the edge of the pan. On the edge of the pan. We don't want to try to get no oil in the driveway here. So
that's not.
All right, roll up there and get your rag. That's what you needed that up there for.
That's what not to do.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Looks like a black tube out of there, and it don't even look like it's flowing really.
It doesn't really.
Yeah. Yeah, don't lose that rag. You'll need it. The magnet on the end of the drain pan here looks really good, actually. It's not a little bit of gooey on there. Not that bad, actually. It's gonna have some, that's for sure. Feel the end of it. It feels like super soft. That's not like the. You feel it's kind of gooey.
Yeah, it's like
that
gooey.
is oil and metal together. Okay, so go ahead and wipe that off with your blue towel. Back in. Looks like somebody messed up the threads before. Just now seeing that. There's helicoil in there, and I just threw away a freaking pan. Oh well, not like I'd actually take it. I'll just fix that anyway. But anyway,
Put it back in?
Put it back in. Now the little lever on the wrench, look at the head of the wrench, see that little lever? Flip it the other way. Oh no, you did not. Oh, you gotta go fishing now.
Alright.
And you need to wipe off. Oh my gosh, get away from me, dude.
Yeah, that's disgusting.
Ew.
That is disgusting.
Yeah, you gotta wipe everything off. Where's your blue towel?
Right here, I don't think it's gonna make it.
Alright, so that's a mess.
That.
Oh my god, dude, it's all over your face. Oh my gosh.
I got it.
Yeah, I told you, it's fine. All right, well, it looks like we got a mess to clean up, so we'll get the oil filter back on. Get the filter and drop it in the thing. There we go, excellent. All right, get out, just get out.
It's everywhere.
It is. All right, so we got a mess to clean up. We're gonna get the new filter and get drain plug, double check the torque on it, and then we'll meet you guys back up when we're filling it up. All right, so we got the drain plug in tight, oil filter on. Time to put in the oil. We gotta make a funnel first, so we'll put this one in first. 1040 high mileage, it does me well. A little thicker, a little, I don't know. I think it might help out, so that's what we're gonna use. The filter was absolutely trashed, as you can tell. It's Spectre, you know, it's an advanced auto brand, AutoZone brand, but you can tell it was actually doing its job on the inside. But, so I'd have to say Spectre, 8 out of 10, but it's only good for a year or two. But I'm definitely gonna get some horsepower back out of this guy for sure. This is horrific. Absolutely horrific. Alright guys, so we have completely blew past practice. We had some filter stuff we had to do. The 4-inch filter was way too small, so we got a 6-inch. And the one time the 2 extra inches actually hurt me. So anyway, we had to hacksaw the intake, get it fitted in. Long story short. And then we had to fill up with gas, and the throttle blade got stuck on the intake pipe piece, because like I said earlier, it's for the intake pipe piece is for a naturally aspirated 5.3. We should have just not even used that to begin with, and we should have went with something custom. By now I could have come up with something made out of metal that would have been perfect, but it is what it is. So hopefully we don't miss registration. I think it ends at 5:30. I'm going to double check the website. If we did, then you're probably just going to get a little bit of racing someone else doing it, because I won't be able to, so be sad days. Anyway, check in with you guys once we get there. Alright guys, hey, so we actually made it. No time to practice though, but what we're hoping to achieve here is to not break out in double elimination class. Gotten a few raised eyebrows about me being in that class and not the gas modified, so I really didn't want to enter into a class and then have to run against, there's some pretty serious trucks here, so I'm going to put in a few shots of them running, you know, diesel stuff running, but I'm going to have the wife manning the camera down here on tripods, get some stuff, get some shots, stuff like that, but I'm going to give you a full rundown of the truck while I got you. 5.3 stock, factory 5.3, 235,000 miles. It does have a Texas Speed stage 2. I hate saying stage, but it is. It's just what they call it. So stage 2 truck cam. LSA Supercharger on 7 pounds. Sometimes it creeps up to 8, but today I think we're going to see solid 7 pounds. It's really, really hot, so That's about, I mean, long tube headers and exhaust, like that is really it. It did make 430 horsepower to the tire and second gear, but you know, we're just out here trying to have a little fun. Also, this thing has got to take a 5-hour trip tomorrow, so hopefully it don't break, because I really do need this thing tomorrow, but it doesn't matter. Anyway, we're out here just having fun. You can kind of see a lot of trucks out here. Really like that one right down there. That one's nice. There's a couple way back there, but it's kind of a interesting setup here. I'll give you a shot down the track, but it's pretty legit. They do this every year, and this is the first year that I've been in this area that I've done. Usually, I was growing up, I've done things like this related to mud running, but this is flat drags. I've never done anything like this, so pretty nice. It's only 300 feet, so the brakes work, so that's good. If not, there's trees down there to stop, but we're gonna have a good time here, so you guys just chill and relax. I'll check back in with you later. All right, guys, so the diesel class eliminators just finished up. The gas class is coming up. Got the truck warming up. Hopefully everything goes good. We don't break anything. I'm not gonna be able to have some in-car stuff. Just want to focus on doing what I got to do, and we'll have a couple different shots. But kind of excited. Hopefully, again, we don't break anything. Alright guys, so I got a loss in the first round. I was afraid to launch it. I was going against like a 5'9", 3/4 ton, and I thought I might be able to reel him back in if I didn't launch it really. But this time I'm gonna come off foot brake pretty hard, see what kind of happened. There's a lot of other vehicles in here. There was just like a Grand Prix GTP just went. There's a Tiguan, like an S4. So, truck's still running good. I've got no complaints. I'm out here having fun. So we'll see what we get paired up with next and hit the lanes probably pretty soon actually. I'm really happy I'm able to progress as much as I have and staying out of second gear. I'm able to stay in first. I think it's a big help. So, all right, we'll see what the next one's like. Alright guys, so back at this camera now. Probably noticed something was a little different. Good news, truck's solid actually. 100%. Lost that race because I left my two-step switch on, so it read first gear to 3,200, 3,400, and then stopped climbing. So all because I showboated coming through the lanes because I was happy that I had won and was moving through. I ruined it for myself. So, but the truck sitting here, shifting all the gears, hitting on all the cylinders, ran really, really well.
Got 4 wins.
Got, yeah, technically 3 wins, but won 4 times, ran a lot more times than I thought I was gonna run, but anyway, I'll, I know that I'm not going to be any match for the modified gas. If these guys were running in this class, then I'm not going to be able to keep up with them. But anyway, all right. Well, as long as the truck makes it back, this will be the end of that video. If it doesn't make it back, there'll be more. So hopefully, I don't see you.